In Adobe Photoshop, you make selections to isolate parts of an image, edit images, and create composite images. Here I'll use a variety of tools and commands to select different elements on the shelves. The Rectangle Marquee tool is one of the simplest selection tools. Just drag it to create a rectangular selection border, such as around this block. Everything within the selection border is now affected by any change you apply. To deselect an area, simply click away from it. You can also combine selection tools and keyboard commands to create and modify complex selections. Here, I'll use the Rectangle Marquee tool to select the train and the Ellipse Marquee tool to add the wheels. The Polygon tool lets you make straight edge selections. I'll use it here to remove part of the blocks from my selection, so that I select just the train. Now I can apply a change to this fairly complex selection. The Magic Wand tool lets you select areas that share similar colors. I'll increase the tool's tolerance to select more of the doll's hair. Now I'll drag a copy of it to the next doll. Before I make a second copy, I'll feather the selection edge, softening the transition of the edge. So that I can view the effect of feathering more clearly, I'll temporarily hide the selection border with the Hide Edges command. I'll change the color now with the Hue Saturation command. The Select Similar command lets you select all parts of the image that have a similar color. Here, I'll select part of the green Z and then use the Select Similar command to select the other green areas on the two blocks. You can deselect areas by combining keyboard commands with the Selection tool. Now I can change the color of the letters using one of the color swatches. In this other file, I want to select just the rabbit and chair. If an image is too complex to easily select with the Magic Wand tool, the Color Range command is a good choice. With this command, you can sample a range of colors from the image and adjust the slider until the white part of the preview shows the areas you want to select. Here, I'll invert the selection so that just the rabbit and chair is selected. I can now copy the selection, paste it into the image, and drag it into position. Sometimes you spend a lot of effort making a complex selection. By saving a selection, you can reload it whenever you want. Here I'll load a selection that I previously created and saved, and make an adjustment to it. If you'd like to try making selections yourself using sample artwork, see the accompanying step-by-step instructions. And for more information on making and saving selections, see the Masks lesson.